Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, my goal is I will choose a random website and I will try to transform this random website into a branded website using Shopify Dawn theme. So, I chose this store for today's video and I searched on Google that jewelry store in USA, and I found that this is the store I can work on this store. So today I will redesign this website and I will try to make this website more beautiful, more engaging, and I will try to add more trustworthiness to their customers or our customers. So let's jump into the video. So I created a Shopify store and I added some product from this store, and now we have to click on sales channel, then we navigate to online store. Right now we are in our customization page, and if we go back to our reference website we can see that there are two announcement bar in the top of the website. So I added these two text, and here we can see there is no colors, so I will add some colors for making it more beautiful. So I choose color scheme 6 for this, and I choose color scheme 7 for this. So if we click on save, and we can see now there we can see some difference between the background colors, which is more beautiful. So in the next part we can see the logo is much more bigger. So and it will take so many spaces in our screen, so we need to resize it for making it more beautiful and reduce the space size. So I redesigned the logo using Canva, and I just uploaded here for making it more short. So here you can see the logo is more bigger, and in our theme it is more short and more beautiful. So after resizing the logo, we can see there are no images, no banners. So this is not a good practice. So for this, I added an image with text section for making it more beautiful, and I generate some text from their information which is in their about us section. So if I go back to our store, I generate this text and this text, and I will click on image with text, and I will click on select, and I will choose this image which is found in their Instagram. So I click on there, and it will take some time, and right now I will just change the container color scheme into color scheme 8, so it will looks beautiful, right? It is beautiful, and I'll click on save, and I will reload this page. Now look at this, isn't it more beautiful than this website? And let me know in the comment box. So let's go back to our editor panel. So right now for showing collection, we added a feature collection section, and if we click on feature collection section, we can see collection, and we click on select, and we can see that which I created. This is random collection, and here you can see bestsellers and a little bit description. I just copy this and I have pasted here. So right now, there we can see a little bit. They actually use like thumbnail carousel type, but we will not use this. We use default, and you can see the column is 4. It is okay, but the product count I decreased to 4, and now this is more beautiful. And I click on save, and if we just reload, it will take some time, So now after reloading, we can see there are four product in the bestseller collection and there are view all button. If we click on view all button, we can see our all collections. Now I will add review section as I am not using any app, so I will add a section which is multi-column, and I remove this text and I remove button label so that button will disappear, and I go back to here and I will upload three review image which I have downloaded from their Instagram, and I upload this. So I will click on this image, then click on done, and I will take some text from here. Really good. So no need to add some headings. I just add description. And then for the second one, I need to do the same thing. Now go back to column and click on multi-column and we just center. And now from ratio, we'll select circle. So the review section is ready and I will add text using rich text. So now I will delete this button. I will delete this paragraph. I just keep the headings. I will write customer reviews. Customer reviews. And I will change the background. Also the multi-column background. And I'll just click on save. Right now I will add the most important section, which is FAQ section. For adding FAQ section, I will click on add section and then I will search for collapsible content, which is this, and I click on collapsible content. I remove the headings and write FAQ, and I will add contents in every collapsible row. So I just added contents to the collapsible row, and this is one of the most important section in every Shopify store. So this is the reference website, and this is the website which I redesigned right now. And now let me know in the comment box which is more beautiful. And if you need any Shopify design related help, you can just DM me. I will drop my contact information in my description box, and subscribe for more this type of video. Thank you so much.